really leave the house for like work. I don't even know how the heck he gets money.
What you said?
You have a job.
What you said, Bala?
No, I said that I don't know what dad's job is, but it definitely can't be like something where you have to never leave the house for like work.
He's done working already for 45 years.
45 what? What? Mommy said that daddy's been working for 45 years.
That's why, even though you don't see him leave the house and go to work, but he still have money.
No wonder when he always gets mad so much. It's because he hates his job. And those are one of the parents' nightmares. What about taxes?
What you talking, Gus?
You have to. Daddy never pays his bills, and he never pays his taxes.
He does pay his bill, because if he don't pay his bill,
He loses his house.
yeah. No, we don't need to lose the house because we own the house. We don't have mortgage on the house. But he still pay bills like electric bills,
True.
insurance,
Yeah, and water bills too, right? And then
Wi-Fi.
water bills.
We don't have water bill because we have our own.
Yeah, I forgot.
We just pay electric bill. Then our food, our grocery, your clothes.
Rents for the devices we have.
Yeah, your devices.
Yeah.
And your school.
Oh yeah, and school. Yeah, but you're gonna have to be paid more for stuff. My neck is really sweaty.
Okay, open up a little bit.
Can I take it off?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's considered to start school the time I start fourth grade.
Yes.
Oh man. Hey, use up all your free time, dude.
I'm gonna put this
a
one.
long way until you got school. I'm also probably gonna be starting fourth grade.